Hello there, Melissa Giles, Crazy Imagination Travel. I'm on another fabulous Disney adventure. This time, my travels have taken me to the Vero Beach Resort. We are staying in the main building. We have a 2-queen ocean view room, and we are going to stay in 2227. So let's go take a tour. I'm so excited. All right, here is our 2-queen beach view room at Vero Beach. Very inviting. We're here in December. The holidays are here. The decor is here for the holidays, and it is an amazing time to be here. I'm gonna turn the lights on here so we can get the full effect. And here we are. So you see we can sleep up to 4 in this room. Love the carpet, the theming. It's got what looks like little water ocean bubbles. Very nice. Got pretty shells, telephone, USB ports. That's awesome. Storage. And our second queen size bed. We've been noticing a lot of turtle theming. Very nice. And this particular room will connect next door. So if you need more space, we can certainly request connecting. Or if you have 2 adults and more children, we can guarantee connecting. When you contact me, just let me know. Flat screen TV, DVD players. We stopped by the little gift shop, and DVC rentals were complimentary. Rentals were complimentary. More storage. We are here during COVID, so I want to show you that our safety precautions are in place. All of our remote controls are cleaned, sanitized, and sealed, which is great. We're doing everything to keep all of our guests safe. We have more ports. Here's a nice desk, light. And speaking of enhanced cleaning, here's all of the procedures that we're doing, enhanced procedures to keep everybody safe. So I feel totally great about being here, feel safe and secure. Now let's go check out the bathroom area. Got hardwood floors here. Makeup mirror, 1 sink. We have H2O bath products. Wonderful fixtures here. Lots of storage. Hair dryer. Of course, more storage here all the way down on both sides. And our wet area, I love the way they've got the towels here. That's so cute. Beach themed. White tile. And our H2O body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Again, sealed and clean for our protection. There's our towels. And our shower. And here is the theming on our shower curtain. Perfect. Now let's go look outside and check out our view. Well, before we do that, hang on a minute. Let's go and look at our kitchenette. So we have a dorm size refrigerator, actually a little larger than that. We've stopped by the store on the way here. Got a few sundries. We've got a coffee pot. We've got ice, bucket, and we have our microwave. Very nice. We have a toaster, and we have individually wrapped bowls, plates, and cups, coffee cups and regular cups. Our utensils are also individually wrapped. We've got paper towels, everything we could need to make us feel at home. Here are our coffee products and our dishwashing products. I see a can opener, coffee creamer, and a wonderful sink there. Got more storage space here. Very nice. All right, now let's go and see our coat rack from when we first walk in. And then here is our closet area. Now the closet has extra pillows and blankets, has an ironing board, very nice, luggage rack, and a safe for your valuables. Now let's go and check out the beautiful view. So excited. Again, this is a two queen ocean view room. The balcony is quite large, so it's going to be a great time to sit out and have our coffee in the morning while we watch the waves. We have 2 chairs and a table. Beautiful. We're excited about doing some walking and some biking. Should be a lovely time. And check out our chairs here. So cute. They have little turtles on them. We are loving Vero Beach. For your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa at crazyimaginationtravel.com. It will be my pleasure to assist your family. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to follow all my Disney travels. I look forward to working with your family. See you real soon.